Good evening. It's me, Dr. Lefthandthread, reporting to you from the doctor's surgery here. It's a very special day here at the surgery. We've got a very special visitor. The big Milwaukee red truck, the red Sprinter to be exact, has made its way all the way to the doctor's surgery, which I can't help being grateful for. There's Darren, say hello.
Well guys,
Darren's come to visit me in the big Milwaukee.
You've heard of the big red tool truck? Well, this is the wee red tool truck.
He's like Postman Pat on steroids. Have a look around this. Look at this. This is like Dr. Lefthandthread's wet dream. Not this. God.
Pat, where's your wallet?
Pat McMahon. Wish you were here. Look at this. She's all decked out. Big Sprinter van. All lovely Milwaukee gear. All the hand tools. M18 charger radio. Look at all this. Look at this here. Full modular tool storage. All the nice M12 stuff here. And we have some nice M18.
There's the new high torque.
That's a new high torque wrench. Well, look at that. She's a beauty.
What so the new suspension system that we were talking about?
That's
they allow the battery to move so that it doesn't wear against the...
Milwaukee have officially solved wobbly battery syndrome. They finally got the message. It was good to hear. I thought I was going to have to cure it. I thought a fake internet doctor was going to have to cure it, but it turned to they've done the job themselves. They've listened. Lovely forged batteries. As you know, I'm the battery doctor of the internet, so I love these. These are tablet cells, and I think the smaller ones are.
So
they're stacked lithium.
The 6 is the stacked lithium. Yeah. The 8 and the 12 are the tablets.
Cool.
And there's the new Gen 3.
Gen 3. You can feel the power of it when you pull the trigger.
745 Newton meters of torque.
And that's something that size.
Their predecessor was 339.
Yeah. I think Milwaukee have got it sewn up as far as garage tools are concerned. To be quite honest, they always were the market leader. Lovely circuitry there.
There's the new flat.
New flathead grinder. Let's see this. Rapid stop 5-inch grinder. Flathead. Paddle switch. That is a thing of beauty. Look, we're missing this here. The supercharger.
So this charger will have a 6 amp hour forged battery charged from 0 to 85% in 15 minutes.
No more waiting. No more waiting.
No more waiting. You cycle your batteries and charger through the charger. Perfect. Never have any downtime.
Good for the big ones. Good for the big ones because the ordinary rapid charger is 6 amp. So probably you're talking at 2 hours for a 12 amp battery, roughly speaking.
Yeah.
Lovely utility knives. We know about them. And the Milwaukee drill bits is doing well now. They're a very good bit. TCT cutters. That's 3. This is the Thunderweb bit set. I actually sell these in my work. These are very, very popular.
Yeah.
Thunderweb do well for us.
Yeah, they are.
Definitely.
They're one of my biggest sellers. And this is the last. I don't know whether you still have this one here, but this is the last of this case.
Yeah.
They now, from now on, will be coming in the pack-out compatible case.
They fit the pack-out system. So they're fitting the pack-out system from now on, so watch out for that, guys.
So there's your...
That's the pack-out system there. Some of you already know about.
So these are all now designed just nicely.
No matter what side of the pond you are, you'll agree that this is one of the best modular storage systems on the market. It's the market leader, to be quite honest with you.
All full waterproof, shockproof.
Yeah.
And whenever it seals, you can drop that.
Yeah, see that?
And it doesn't break. and it doesn't open, and all your stuff
Doesn't shatter.
everything sits down into each one so that nothing gets mixed into.
It'll not jump from
I'll
one,
not jump from one to the
one
other.
section to the other.
My favourite bit.
Oh, that click is satisfying, you have to admit. Yeah. First aid. The first aid kit needs a defibrillator to give me a heart attack with all this good stuff. I've never seen stuff like it in my life. Here's the brushless vac.
There's the new M18 adjustable boom light.
The boom light, yeah.
Articulating.
Articulated magnetic M18.
With a very strong magnet.
What's the roof?
You see it bending down there.
What's the roof? What's the
I
roof?
actually have added that to make it easier.
There's something I haven't seen much of. It's the actual 12-volt charger. It goes into the cigarette lighter. I haven't seen much of that one now. I didn't even know it existed.
Don't sell too many of them. So a lot of
But
people.
they do exist.
But they do exist.
The M18 AC. So watch out for that and if you're interested in that, guys. So that's the tour of the big sexy red truck. Or Postman Pat and steroids as we call it. Here's the hammers. Look at that.
So everything is beautifully set out. Some VDE stuff. And then my favourite few drawers.
Yes. Somebody's borrowed a couple of them.
Oh, that's mine. So I have them over there.
That's okay. Nice socketry there. The flex head ratchet spanners and the ordinary standard spanners. Polished. The Milwaukee logo.
You've seen our square shank. Our chrome sockets are square.
Yes.
So they are, so it's to just roll whenever they're dropped.
Yes, they don't roll away.
But the other thing about them is the class is wrench ready.
Yeah. So you can put a spanner on.
You can put a spanner on that there if you're in a tight area which you can't get the ratchet
Never
in.
seen the square sockets before. You see that, guys? It's an ordinary socket, but it's square, so it doesn't roll away, and it's wrench ready, like Darren says there.
And the shallows are the same.
Shallow sockets the same. Yeah.
Very nice ratchets.
Fine.
90 teeth. So it's
There's
solid.
the 3/8 ratchet there. See that? There's the part number if you want to see it, and there's the Milwaukee look engraved in it. That's what you want.
All covered by the Milwaukee lifetime guarantee.
You break it, he replaces it. The spanner sets. I like these spanners when I get one on out here. Milwaukee logo there. That. Not even engraved, raised up. Carved in it. The 18 carved in it too. It's lovely.
Soft close drawers.
Nice.
Anti-tilt technology. You can only open one drawer at a time.
Yeah. There you have it. This is the Milwaukee 3.5 ton Sprinter, full of all the goodies you could ever dream of, and some you couldn't even think of. So a big thank you to Darren for coming to visit me today.
I'm such a happy man.
That's Bigdee, a big supporter of the channel and a good friend. So thanks guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all the suboptimal repairs and all their stuff.